Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix the slow download speed on Google Chrome. So Google Chrome has already suggested these steps guys, so we can follow these steps, but I will show you first of all which steps you need to follow. First of all, we need to enable this step guide. This is very powerful step. Enable parallel downloading. Okay, so how to enable this, let me show you. Just you need to open another tab here and type for Chrome, and then you need to give colon, then double slash flex, and on the search you need to type for PARALLE, parallel downloading. Here this is the option, and simply you need to enable this option. Once you enable this option, just relaunch here Google Chrome. Okay, this is the first setting. This is very powerful setting guys, and now let's move on to the next setting. Next setting, we need to disable all the cookies and all the extensions from our Google Chrome. So click on here and to go to extensions, then click on manage extensions and remove all the extensions which you don't use. Okay, just disable them and you will get your Google Chrome is downloading faster than others, since they are also consuming some resources. So this will reduce your Google Chrome resources. Okay, and you can also clear out the history here guys. This is very important also. Just go to history, then click on history, then go to delete browsing history and select here the all time. Just go to advanced, select here all the times, delete all the cookies here, only leave the password which you use here. Just do it, click on delete and delete all the history of Google Chrome. Now let's move on to the next setting. Now go to here the settings on startup and choose the option, open the new tab page. Okay, also go to the performance and select this performance issue alerts. Just disable this and inactive tab appearance. Just you need to enable this option also, and go to system, then click on, if this is also enabled here guys, continue running background apps when the Google Chrome is closed. So you need to untick this option and use graphic acceleration while available. Just enable this option, and once you enable this option, relaunch your Google Chrome. Also, if nothing works for you, then you can reset your Google Chrome to default setting here. And another thing, you can also update your Google Chrome to the latest. Sometime old can cause this issue and has some bugs on your Google Chrome, so it's better to update the Google Chrome to latest and check that if that fix your issue or not. Okay, so these are the steps. If nothing works for you, we can also tweak some settings in the Windows. Just open the run command here, and I'm pretty sure if you apply these steps one by one, you are good to go. Your download speed should increase. Type for nc pa.cpl, press the enter key, and once you have press the enter key, just double click on your network, then go to its properties, then choose IPv4 version, go to its properties, and simply use the DNS of Google Chrome 8.8.8.8 and another one alternative 8.8.4.4. Hit apply, hit close, and once you refresh this setting guys, your DNS query will be resolved faster since you are using the Google Chrome DNS. And after that, just relaunch the Google Chrome and check back if that fixes your issue or not. If nothing works for you guys, you just have to check with your ISP, so we can test our commands so that you can identify the issue, what is the root cause. Type for ping 8.8.8.8, then give space hyphen t, Okay, and this command will show you the latency here. You can see the time here. The less time it is, the faster speed you have, internet speed, and the more time you have, like it should not be more than 200, 300. If you are getting this ping response is 200, 400 and more than that, that means that you have some connectivity issues on your internet. So you can reboot your router, you can reach out to your ISP, and if you are facing also the request timeout issues, so you can reboot your system and router, and you can identify the issues with the steps. Apart from that, you can also go to the browser and check your speed test. Also type a speed test, so that you are pretty sure that there is no issue with the Google Chrome and itself the issue with the your internet. So after, I'm pretty sure guys, after applying these methods and following this video, you should able to get the conclusion of this video, and I hope this video helps you and helpful for you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.